So I programmed my CNC to be a Roomba. I got it, the spindle going at 0 RPM, doing a full surface sweep at about 80 inches per minute through my dust collection out the back of the building here. But basically running back and forth to clean up the last bits of dust from the last job. You can see it's picking up, sends it up to the overhead PVC, down and around, and then out the back wall of the shed. So neat little maintenance job that I can run when things get dusty and watch it be possibly the world's most expensive Roomba.